Solidification of marbles in the search for second harmonic generation. A marble is a liquid droplet coated in hydrophobic or hydrophilic molecules called surfactants. Surfactants allow the marbles to maintain its spherical shape by lowering the surface tension between two liquids. The droplets consisted of NOA, liquid crystals, and magnetic particles. The carrier phase consisted of fluorinated oil and different types of surfactants of varying ratios. Our goal was to determine the best concoction that would yield the most stable marbles. After collecting liquid marbles made in the microfluidic device, we exposed them to UV light in order to solidify them. All the marbles were composed in part of NOA, Nolan optical adhesive, a liquid photopolymer that solidifies when exposed to UV light. We viewed the solidified marbles for 4 of the trials with a scanning electron microscope. We saw that many of the marbles ended up collapsing from their spherical shape, some had a distinct phase separation, and others were stable and sturdy. The second goal of the experiment was to try to detect second harmonic generation, SHD, in the marbles with magnetic particles called maghamite. No, not the Pokemon. In linear optics, the polarization, which is the density of permanent or induced electric dipoles, is proportional to the applied electric field. This relationship completely describes the response of the optical medium. The polarization can be expanded as a Taylor series. When the electric field is small, the effect of higher order terms is negligible. They are important, however, at high intensities, and it's where we can detect nonlinear phenomena such as SHG. SHG results from the contribution of the second term, the square of the electric field, where emitted light of twice the frequency and half the wavelength of the incident light can be detected. We probed the marbles with maghamite particles using 2-photon scanning microscopy at a wavelength of 850 nanometers. We looked for SHG, so emission of violet light at 425 nanometers. We were unsuccessful in our results to generate SHG with maghamite. All scans came up blank, but prospective work on this project can test out different particles and improve upon our most promising marble concoction.